In a reimagined world, the unimaginable scenario unfolds where colossal elephants, magnified to 1,000 times their natural size, engage in an epic battle against humanity armed with nothing but modern technology. This unprecedented clash raises questions about survival and dominance, as the sheer magnitude and strength of these titanic creatures threaten to obliterate human defenses, leading many to ponder not only who would emerge victorious in such a war, but also what strategies humanity could devise to combat such overwhelming odds. As the ground trembles under the weight of the giant elephants, panic ensues among the human population, prompting them to quickly strategize and employ advanced technologies such as drones and automated weaponry. Yet the sheer force of these behemoths, capable of uprooting entire buildings and trampling through military installations, renders conventional tactics seemingly futile, compelling humanity to rethink its approach to survival against such formidable adversaries. In a desperate bid for survival, top scientists and military strategists convene to analyze the behavioral patterns of these gargantuan elephants, striving to develop innovative countermeasures that could level the playing field. However, as the elephants continue their relentless advance through urban landscapes, demonstrating their sheer power by decimating skyscrapers and creating chaos among human defenses, it becomes increasingly clear that this battle may redefine the very essence of power and control on Earth. As tensions escalate to a breaking point, a dramatic standoff unfolds between the advancing giant elephants and a fortified line of human military vehicles, where soldiers, driven by desperation and a determination to protect their home, prepare for an inevitable clash. Just as the earth shakes beneath the weight of impending doom, a brave soldier launches a missile in a last-ditch effort to halt the monstrous advance, symbolizing the fierce will of humanity to resist annihilation against seemingly insurmountable odds.